Imagine a military workshop far from the busy city where precision and reliability are essential. Soldiers and technicians work tirelessly, ensuring every vehicle is ready for action and every tire is strong enough to handle the toughest conditions. In this setting, a special machine stands out, a run-flat tire changing machine, designed to tackle the hardest tasks. It's not just any machine. It's built specifically to remove and mount the tricky one-piece rubber, run-flat tubeless tires, a job that used to be difficult and time-consuming. This machine is a true hero in the field, especially in military bases and repair shops that keep armored vehicles running smoothly. It's more than just a tool, it's a solution. It includes a powerful piston system that separates and remounts the tire and rim with ease. And it comes with remote-controlled pistons and a winch, making it flexible enough to handle even the largest run-flat tires. Safety is a top priority in any military operation, and this machine doesn't fall short. It has segmented shields designed to keep the run-flat tires from moving inside the machine, reducing any chance of failure and increasing safety. Strategic emergency stop buttons, remote control operations, and chain protections ensure that every job is secure and efficient. Understanding the different needs of its users, this run-flat tire-changing machine comes in 3 models. For those working far from the main base, there's a mobile container model, providing a fully equipped workshop that can be moved wherever it's needed. Inside this 20-foot container, 2 technicians can work comfortably, with a crane mounted on the ceiling and air conditioning to create a good working environment. For those needing even more flexibility, there's a trailer model, equipped with a generator and air compressor, ready to be hitched to the back of any armored vehicle and moved at a moment's notice. It's the advanced mobile solution that armies rely on when space and mobility are crucial. And for customers who have a flexible working space and prefer the machine to be mounted on the ground, the workshop model is the perfect fit. It's designed for permanent installation in a workshop, offering a stable and efficient setup for handling all tire-changing needs. This machine isn't just about technology. It's the result of years of research and development, improved through feedback from users who know the demands of the field. It's about comfort, safety, and automation. Features like the 50-meter range remote control, segmented shield design to prevent tire slippage, and multiple emergency stop buttons are all designed with the user in mind. Our machine is certified to the ISO 9001 standard, meets CE marking requirements, and it carries a NATO stock number, confirming its reliability and suitability for military applications. And this isn't just a local solution. We deliver these machines worldwide with various shipping options tailored to meet your needs. After delivery, our team provides on-site installation and training, ensuring that users are fully equipped to operate the machine effectively. With a 2-year warranty and a 15-year guarantee on spare parts availability, we stand by our product's reliability. Our reach has expanded to 30 countries by 2024, trusted by some of the world's largest armies. These forces rely on our machines to keep their vehicles operational and their troops safe across various bases and in different terrains. Because when it comes to ensuring mobility and safety in the most challenging environments, our run-flat tire-changing machine is the ultimate solution.